Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to align multiple shape in Excel. Okay. Now see this multiple shape. Align the shape. Double click the shape. Hold Control. You align. Select your align shape. I select align this shape. Okay. Now go to align options. Select align options. You align left, align center, align top, high, align middle. Okay, now see this, align this shape. Again, hold Control, align center, group this. Okay, hold Control, align center, group this. Okay, again, hold Control, align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.